Hello, I will take you through a simple conversational bot we've developed on WhatsApp. It allows customers to engage with the business as well as to transact. Um, so to initiate this bot, you send the prompt, hi, hello, and then we get an automated response with a business name. We provide several options. In this case, for Momentum Credit, you can get an auto logbook on WhatsApp. You can make payment for an existing loan, and you can also speak to an agent. To initiate the logbook option, we respond with 1. The bot will respond automatically with specifications about this facility. Additionally, the beauty of this is you can also provide videos and imagery to add on and to, of course, convince the user to take it up. And then there's a question, what is your car value? I'll respond with that. And then immediately, thank you, one of our agents will be speaking with you shortly. The beauty of this is, again, when you initiate the bot, your phone number is already captured. So on the back end, we have your expression of interest as well as phone number to call you. So in 2 steps, you have customer's interest and you can be able to generate a lead. Now, the next step is we want to make a payment for an existing loan. So you respond with 2. And it tells you about your details. So what does is, using your phone number, it fetches from the system about your facility and what is due. In this case, if you want to pay through M-Pesa, you respond with pay. So what we do is we sync with M-Pesa, and you get an STK push, which allows you then to put in your PIN, and then the system will reconcile with your backend and then communicate back to the user that the loan is paid. Then lastly, you want to speak to an agent, you respond with 3, and then you get an automated response that an agent will speak to you shortly. For the agents, they log in to this platform on our web dashboard, which is the next phase of this demo. Right, so this is the WhatsApp Helpdesk on web now. So multiple agents have their own login credentials. Then they're able to access the dashboard and be able to respond to queries coming through WhatsApp. So this is the login for Kenneth, as you can see here. He has his account notification settings and indicates whether you're online or offline. And then, of course, you can log out. Then on this other end, you get your column of all the conversations that have come in through. All conversations have a ticket and they are indicated as new until opened. If indicated as pending, if ticket is put as pending, it moves here, close moves here, and escalated moves here. Now, the conversation you're having previously was on WhatsApp, so all the options we had, as you can see with the timestamp, everything that bot sent out has a timestamp bot, and so forth. And here, as an agent, I can respond to the customer and say, hello, how can we be of assistance today? And you submit reply. Now, that message will automatically be sent to the consumer's WhatsApp. Additionally, you can attach attachments here that will fetch from your computer. So that will be your any PDFs, account statement. You can be able to send it out to the customer. Additionally, you have my stats here. You can get the stats of the agent from response time to what the response rate is. I know most of our agents could be working remotely now, so you want to be able to manage how effectively are they able to respond to customer queries. And then you get your data. How many new messages have you gotten today or within a period of time? How many are pending? How many are closed? So you can see with as a supervisor, you get a good view of what impact or what the agent is doing, whether they are with you or remotely. Again, the beauty of this is the agent is not able to log in. So with this conversation, they cannot come in and delete a conversation and say it never existed. Additionally, you only get to see a number, so you don't get to see my images, profile photos, or any additional information I may have on my private WhatsApp. So in this case, it limits the agent to just focusing on the conversation. Additionally, they can resolve a ticket here. You can indicate as resolved if conversation has ended. You can escalate if this is a ticket does not requires an additional look into. And of course, you can close it or indicate as pending. We have a reports dashboard here. Now, this provides you reports over a period of time. So this can be tailored based on the business, how they want this done, and charts and various options to allow to get right insights on this. All right, that's it on the web dashboard.